Hey everyone, Michael Bender here with another Tesla Tunity, and today we're back to making positive videos. I got my car back, I'm really excited, and today we're going to change out the wood trim for some carbon fiber, but before we get into it, we've got a special guest here. Let's bring him on. Trevor Page, Model 3 Owners Club.
How you doing?
How you looking forward to so far?
Well, certainly warmer than when I went home anyways.
Yeah, so Trevor's in town. We've got Cars and Coffee over at Evan X on Sunday. He's here to check it out. We're going to have a nice road trip up to Kennedy Space Center, so keep it here. Watch his channel, of course. A lot of videos coming soon.
Yeah, have some good content for you.
All right, everyone, so check it out. Got some carbon fiber on our way.
All right, so we're back at it again, and we did the center console in the carbon fiber. Now we're gonna do the dash. We're not gonna sand the dash down, but we are gonna take it out, prep it, and wrap it with the same grain as the center console so it all matches. And so we have a couple pieces. Take the side piece off, we're gonna take this top piece off, and eventually we're gonna take these corner pieces off. So Jennifer and I are going to do that right now, and we'll be right back to wrap it. All right. This literally just comes straight up. So we got the dash out. We're going to do some carbon fiber wrap on it. We're not going to sand this one down. We have one that's sanded down, one side sanded, one side's not sanded, so you can see the difference with different materials. So with the carbon fiber, we really don't need to sand it down. But we took the end caps off. These are a little bit harder to take off than normal, so just keep pulling them off. They're not going to break. Hopefully. Two of them.
But let's get a big pulling it, then they're probably going to break.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of primer on these corners here because it is rigid. So when you put vinyl down here, and if these edges aren't closed up or anything and get air in there, it can help release all this stuff. So we're going to put a little bit of primer in there. It's just to help with the adhesive. Corner, 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 and then we'll go from there. We're just trying to keep the corners to stay down nice and flat. So we have three spots. We have this upper spot, we're going to go down, and just around the corner. While that sits and dries, we're going to do some quick alcohol. Most important is back in here. So we are going to use some 3M 1080 carbon fiber. It's a textured carbon fiber. It's not a gloss. Comes with lines. Makes it simple. We're going to use about that much. Alright, so this is 60-inch. You really just need it off of that. We've already checked to make sure that the grains are going the right way on the dash to go with the center console, so we don't have triangles going everywhere and it looks weird. Some people don't care, I do. So let's get at it. So back on the corners, we're going to do a couple of things. We have a tight corner here. We have a really weird triangle here. on this area right here, we're going to heat it up a little bit just to get it nice and soft. I'm going to dip this down right to this edge. I have an edge right here. So I'm going to literally trim this piece out. So it allows me to drop that down. So I'm going to drop this down. I'm not worried about this inner piece here because this inner piece is going to get covered up. I'm literally just pulling straight down. I'm trying to get rid of the fingers. So this is my corner. So right now I'm just basically going to use my thumb. I'm going to drop this down underneath. That'll give me my nice corner edge right there. This is all going to drop in. I don't need to worry about any of this because this is getting covered up by our outer clip. So there's an inner line here. I'm going to come in, I'm going to trim this out, nice and neat. So that's our inner side here. This is going to go just like that. So just kind of keeping it nice and clean in there. Key here is getting this back piece as flat as possible in here. So basically taking our squeegee, dropping straight down and kind of rolling in, back underneath. We're eventually going to be cutting up and in there. Again, we're not cutting on anything, we're just cutting in between two pieces. So the nice thing about taking this out is I get to see the back side of this. I mean, if it's in the car, you're kind of looking over and you got different angles. So this angle, you're kind of looking down, around, we're here. I can look directly at it, so I can see if there's any waves. So that's a little bit higher there than it is over there. So I'm literally just going to pull this up.
Yeah, it's a great point, because especially when you get behind where the screen is, you really can't
Correct.
get your
And this
hands
is where your screen will be, I believe. Yeah, right here. So right here's your screen. So it's nice that you can tuck this down nice and neat all the way around, all the way down. And that's the back side of our dash.
Don't try that at home.
Yeah, exactly. Definitely not your wife's hair dryer. Hair blower. Okay. This is the fun part. Okay, so we're back in the car. We got this in. Bring this in very careful. Bring it across. Slide it up. Bring it down. Common sense. This is obviously going to be steering wheel, screen, glove box. So you're kind of just sliding it right in. All the way back, and it's literally just going to drop right down. Ta-da! So once that's in there, and you know it's going to be in there, it's just a couple clips. You're going to take your side piece, slide it nice and neat in there. One click. You got your panels. Obviously we did the same thing on the other side. And there you go. So now we have carbon fiber center console, carbon fiber dash with the exact same lines, and we're complete. And that's how we do it. It's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
It's a signature wrap.
It's a signature wrap.